Welcome back everyone. Let's move on to level 2 in command injection. So medium security. Let's move on to command injection and let's try out whatever we have learned so far. So let's try this command. So like it is not gonna work exactly. There's a higher level security, but let's just try what happens. Here you can see nothing works. So it is not working at all. But if I just type in 172.0.1, it is gonna work. So like you need to wait. So it is showing an output when we are using the command, the simple IP address, but if we are adding anything else using the semicolon, it is not working. You can just see here, no output. Now, in these type of cases, what is happening is the developer has secured the use of ampersand or the semicolons, but you can just try a bypass, which is using the OR symbol instead of this ampersand or semicolon. So in this case, you just want to replace this semicolon with a logical or let's try the or first, which is the pipe symbol, this one. Let's try this up. If it is not gonna work, we will use the double pipe symbol, which is the logical or. Let's try both of them. So here actually it has worked and it has just given me the directory. The second command actually worked automatically, which should not get worked. And let's try out the second one, the logical OR. So here the first command is working. So that is where there might be another flow here. So if we are using the uh, using the logical OR, then this is working, and if you are using the simple OR, then that is working. But in most of the cases, the simple OR, this thing is not gonna work, the pipe symbol. So you always need to use the logical OR here. So we'll be using that, and I'm gonna show you how you can do this thing. So when we are using the logical OR, it is, I mean, either the first command or the second command. Run both of these, whichever works, just get me the output. So if first fails, it'll try the second one. So we will do a wrong IP address 0.0.0, okay, or you can even just type 00. That's gonna work fine, and then logical OR and then your command. So in this case, it will try up this IP address, which will be 0.0.0.0 actually, and with the rules in every system, this is going to be a wrong IP address, which is not going to work, and that will lead to an error, and it will try the second command. So if we just click submit, it will not try the first command, but it will run the second command. So here, okay, it didn't pinged up actually. So let's load this page again. We have 0.0.0.0. I mean, let's just type it fully. Print working directory. Okay, let's submit. Seems like it is taking 0.0.0.0 as a local host actually. Let's use like just one here. Okay, and let's try this like this. Let's see what happens. Yeah, so here in this case, like we just took 1 instead of 0, so maybe 0.0.0.0, and actually 0 and 0 was not working up. So we can even try 0.0 here, and you can just try out all the combinations. So maybe this will also work. Let's check this out. So this loading up, and yeah, it is even not working because it is taking 0.0 as this localhost IP. So it's not working, but we can take 1 instead of this or 2 instead of this. So we can take anything like that. So if we just take 1 instead of this, instead of 0 we take 1, and now it is an illegal IP address, it's not a valid IP address, so it is working perfectly. It is giving the second command right up here. That's how you bypass this type of filters, and I'll see in the next video where we have to bypass one more filter, one more type of security which is on the high level. So I'll see you then. Thank you.